guys, it's a beautiful day once again and welcome back to Dexter's World Channel. Early this morning, I decided to catch my peacock, the pair, Victor and Veronica, because they are actually destroying the roofings of our African lovebirds cage. And I decided to just put them in this big cage for breeding. I know that this kind of bird needs a lot of, big cage so that they can fly, but momentarily, since we are still developing this area, we will temporarily place them here. And this cage is actually the cage of our African lovebirds in the old farm. And you know that we transferred everything because in the old farm, we are not anymore allowed to introduce development because it's already bought by the city government. So you look at here, we have expanded the dry field. And by the use of this payloader, we were able to push the filling materials in the swampy area. And we are now actually enjoying the dry land. And as you can see here, we have so many ducks. We're feeding our ducks. And one thing that I can tell you about the updates of our goat farm is the supplements that we are giving right now. These are the food for the ruminants. Actually, these are the food for the cattle, the cows, and even the horses. And I'm trying to supplement this by giving concentrates. That's intended really for the goats and other ruminants. So you will see here that they are actually eating this one. It seems that this is delicious because this is soya and corn based, and we also was informed that this kind of feeds is actually mixed with different types of grasses, and this is what it takes to have a farm. We have to make some adjustments. I observed that they will not become really very fat and attain their A1 condition by just giving them these grasses. So I injected them with vitamins, and of course, we introduced another food, which is the concentrates that's grass-based and soya and corn-based. So I have to tell you about the update of this because this is my first time to give these types of concentrates because my friends were actually sending me emails about this, and I would like to try this one. And if this will be good for our goats, I would like to reveal the manufacturer of these types of feeds. So let's go to the house and we will feed also our catfish because we're busy then and we were not able to make an update about our catfish farming. But good news about the catfish because they're already growing big and fat. And we will go there and we will also make some updates about our Azolla. So come on, let's go. already revealed to you the secrets about the Azolla farming and the duckweeds farming. No secrets here, actually. I've already told you that don't attempt to culture or propagate your Azolla without fish. This is a final conclusion because before we still use the cow dung, we use some fertilizers, we use this, organic waste like the rabbit poop. They're also effective, but not as effective as this method. Using the water in your fish tank to grow your Azolla because it contains ammonia. It can grow your Azolla fast. It can grow your Azolla big and multiply in just a short period of time, to be exact, overnight. So we can always make sure that we have food for our pets early in the morning if we will use these types of method. I'll bet you this is one of the successful method that I ever had experience. Using the water from your fish tank for your Azolla cultivation and production. We have fish everywhere. These 3 tanks, 1, 2, and 3, is filled with baby tilapias. Over there we have thousands of baby tilapias. Over there we have thousands of baby tilapias. And these 3 circular tanks are filled with the babies of our catfish. So you will see here that these are our produce. You see? And we are breeding this very naturally, of course. We just provide them with a good tank which has filtration and of course it has oxygen. So we are still not able to transfer all our fish because we are still in the process of making everything or fixing everything, and the finalization of the perimeter fence for our fish pond is actually happening, and it's going to be completed maybe this month of August, and I hope that by September we can already transfer this one. But for the meantime, just allow me also to give an update about our baby catfish, which are now very fat and big. So we are about to feed them, and we will catch some of them, of course, and we will show this to the camera. Okay, so this is the update of our fish. We will go to the catfish, the hito. So you guys can see here that the catfish are already big. You see that? And these are actually 2 months old or maybe less, 1.5 months old. But I believe that the growth of this is not that fast because of many circumstances. Of course, we are just raising them here in this very small tank. But if we can put this in the mud pan, maybe they can grow twice faster than the growth that are but if we are going to put this in the mud pan, I think their growth will be twice faster than placing them in a very small container, of course. So you will see that some of them are already big, some are still small, but this is already good. Wow, see, these are the updates of our catfish. And over here we can also see some catfish. Oh, come on, you eat. Okay. So the system here is a funnel type circular tank, and we actually drain every day the sediments, meaning the dirt inside, and these are the waste of the fish that's toxic. So we're draining this every morning, and you look at this, the water has reduced to at least 3 inches, and this is our practice that gives us quite successful results. So we will harvest this fish in the month of maybe October or September. We will get all the big ones, and we will regrow the smaller ones, and this is gonna be a good content for our channel in the future, because we are making a study here and a comparison whether this a circular tank would really grow fish. So for the goldfish and other tropical fish, no problem, because we're not growing them for food. We're not very mindful about the size, but the kind of color and the quality are the focus in raising the ornamental fish. But for the catfish, we have to increase their weight. We have to make them grow big so that we can, eat them. So I will catch some. I hope we can catch some. Oh, see, I was able to catch it. So these are our routines every day on a daily basis. We're making vlogs every day. I am making that early in the morning so that I will not compromise as well my government work, my job as a government worker. So we will proceed to the Cockatiels, and we will see or check some babies, and we will show it to you. So come on, let's go to the Cockatiels. There is no shortcut to success. We have to go through processes. And the processes that I've been mentioning every time I make a vlog is actually perseverance, resiliency, and of course, positive mindset. This is actually the three things that I observed, and you will see. This is already a symbol of success. When we started this cockatiel breeding, we had so many failures then, but we were able to adjust. We persevere, and now these cockatiels are already becoming very plenty. And the things that we observed here were actually revealed in our previous videos. How to breed, what are the best practices, can we hold the baby cockatiels when they are newly hatched? The answer is actually in our cockatiel breeding series of videos. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you will continue to like and share our videos, and we are close to 2 million subscribers. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, I humbly ask you to please subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we are uploading videos regularly. And of course, if you will subscribe, you will be notified of our regular uploads. See you in the next video, only here at Dexter's World.